Right, we don't get this often, so we get to celebrate and brag about them. If I lose this game, I'm gonna be so sorry. I'm gonna feel so bad if I lose this game. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. Right, let me not allow them to get into my head. Let's hit that rook. Okay. Man, if we lose this game, it's gonna be painful. I mean, it could happen, but no. All right, Rook, you're not gonna bother me anymore. You're not gonna hurt anyone else. All right, now we're up on exchange. All we need to do is simplify. We've been talking about it since the beginning. Let's simplify. Let's simplify. Like before, I don't think it works. Okay, you're going back. Let's simplify. Cha cha cha. We castle to the same side because I don't want him to get counterplay on this side of the board. Okay, now careful with this. Very careful with that. Opening up lines, nothing more. What to do? Don't you give him don't you give him anything. Nothing. Oh man, okay, takes. Probably taking with the pawn was better. Don't you give him anything. You're already winning by so much. Don't you give him anything. Don't give him anything. Don't you give him anything. Ooh. Okay, we got this one. We got this one. Hurry up. I'll just hurry up. Okay, was Queen f8 a brilliant move? Oh, we made it to 2400, exactly 2400. No respect. They don't give us anything else. Oh, man. All right, let's see. Let's see. All right, we don't get this often, so we get to celebrate and brag about them. So there you go, guys. Queen f8. And all that I was focusing on was the simplification part of the game. The moment they gave us the exchange, that's it. And this is just a simple tactic. Decoy followed by a fork, and then just simplify. After that, let me see if this plan made any sense. I just didn't have a lot of time. Up, up, up. Hey. All right, I'm gonna have to play more against that opening. Nah, this one was mainly because my opponent was clowning around with Rook H6. Like, I get the feeling that many people think I play f4 as disrespect. But I really like the opening. And then they just do this nonsense. Look at this. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining. We've been here for